This item is time for Dollar General's any day deals. Now that means that you can get these deals any days of the week. Some of these are continued from Sunday because we had so many deals. Okay, now I'm over in the oral care aisle. We have a $1 Oral-B coupon, but in that coupon we have also this toothbrush right here that is glitching, and it'll attach to that $1 coupon, making that free and a 10-cent money maker. Okay, I have not found that toothbrush in a long time. If we come down to the Colgate Optic White, the one for $8.25, that one says $8.25 in the app. It is two high valued coupons. Okay, you have a $5 off coupon that you definitely want to take advantage of. That is awesome for 5 off 25. And then you have that spin buy 2 save 3. Okay, then you have that Colgate Optic White that's $3.25. There it is in the app. And then it is a $3 off 2 coupon. That one also attaches, making one of those toothpastes is 25 cents. I always buy those and use those to give to my kids. Any type of freebie I can get them, throw in their bag. Okay, in the same orchard, we're going to come over here to the Palmer's right here, and the Palmer's is a $1.50 coupon. Now open that coupon. Okay, we're going to scroll all the way down. There it is. That $2.70 one count bar soap attaches to that $1.50 coupon. So if you find that, get it. Great to stuff in your kids going back to school. In the same aisle, guys, you're going to come over here to the ZZ quilt. It's $4.35. $2 coupon attaching. Now if you don't like the liquid, open that up. Also the capsules, okay? Now we're back in the food aisle, guys. We're going to go to the Kraft salad dressings right here, and if you scan it, it is $2.95. It is a $1 coupon, so hit that right there. Make sure you claim it. I'm going to grab me some ranch today. And right here to the mayo right here, it is $4.75. $2. So, and you have a $2 off coupon. Now that's not the only one. Hellman's also is $5, and they have a $2 coupon, making theirs $3. But theirs is a little cheaper. It's a quarter cheaper, $2.75. We always get the better deal, but you also get what your family eat, guys. And my family do eat mayo or Hellman, so I can get either or. Okay, guys, the Jif peanut butter is 2 for $8. And that's the extra crunchy. Let's scan it. When we scan it, we see that it's $4.95. We have a $1 coupon, and then the Jif is 2 for $8. So that is 2 for $7 or $3.50 each. I'm gonna grab 2 of these because my kids and me eat a lot of peanut butter. And they usually don't have a good sale on their Kellogg's large size cereal, but today they have something fairly well. Let's scan them. And they are $5 each. Originally, we have a $1 off 2 coupon, and then you have 2 offers, 3 for $8 or 2 for $8. Please pick up the one 3 for $8. If you don't want the extra box of cereal, give it away. So $8. They gave us a $1 off 2. Leave us at 7. Divide that by 3. You're going to pay $2.33 for this large box of cereal. That's how big, that's the difference compared to a large and a regular, okay? So pick up 3 boxes of those if you're getting it. I am grabbing these. Okay, guys, over here, the Maria's cookies right here. They are $1 each. They have a $1 off 3 coupon, so you'll pick up 3. And then we'll do the math, so that'll be $3. Take your $1 off, leave you at 2, divide that by 3, and you pay 66 cents each. Guys, the Mott's apple juice right here, let me see, that scan is pretty bad. They're $4.45, but they are on instant offer 2 for $5. So pick up those if you need them. I usually get these to throw in my kids' bags. Okay, a quick throw in for the kids also is on the Tombstone sticks. They are 5 for $5, so I'll pick up 5 of those. I mix 3, and then I get 2 of these. Okay. Alright, guys, we starting to sell up here. I did this deal twice. Mountain Dew. Chips, I did the same deal for the chips. cereal. We buy a lot of food on our any day deals because we cannot eat the detergent. Now come over here to the Klondike bars. Now pick up the ones, I would get the ones, I wanted the ones that's 8 count because you get more for your money. Oh, there they are. 8 o'clock right up there. Scan it. They're $4.50. I got it. And then you get $2 off, and they're 2 for $8. So they're 2 for $6. Okay, get that. And these are the ones that I picked up right here. Don't forget to go to your Ibotta, guys. I'll be putting my code up soon. They just, I don't know what happened. They had to send me my money back. Everything. It was weird. Okay, guys. The Tony's pizzas are 4 for $8 right up here. We're gonna scan it. $2.50 each, or 4 for $8, or $2 each. So remember, kids back to school, you can't get home from work in time to get them some food right away. Perfect. Yeah, so I want to show you something with Pillsbury. Even though I don't have it, they only have one, so I'm not going to be able to do this deal. Okay, the Pillsbury Grands 5 count, the little can right here. Let's scan it. Okay, $2.35. Oh, that coupon was attaching. Ain't attaching no more, guys. It was a $1 coupon. Let me show you. I'm going to show you in the app. So maybe it's still attaching in the app. $3.65. They took the $1 coupon away completely. Okay, well, price hike. Let's go over here. Let me show you. Price hike. 2 for $6. They now 2 for $7. There you go. Look, guys, I did some pickled cucumbers, so I don't have to buy those anymore. Yay! All right, guys, that's it for our any day deals, and this is how we look. And make sure you go and check that out, guys. We not only buy laundry detergent and body wash, but we also buy food. Dollar General is a good place to catch up on some quick foods you need. All right, bye. Okay, guys, now we're going to do a 2 do now deals that are now any day deals if they are still available. And they have something to do with the buy 2 get 2s and the Mountain Dew. So let's go ahead on and look at these right here. The Lay's potato chips are buy 2 get 2 at $3.95 each. Now it is 2 offers, guys, but get the best offer. You can mix and match these, which those purple ones are actually delicious. And I'm going to try the new Funyuns. We're going to look right at those. This deal's come around to us a lot, but it's awesome to stack up on, especially when school time hit again. So let's go ahead and look at it there. $3.95 each. 2 offers. Buy 2 get 2 free, or 2 for $6. Please pick up the ones buy 2 get 2. You would get completely cheated picking up the ones 2 for $6. Now let's get over here to the Pepsi and the Mountain Dew deal. We have a couple of coupons that do stack with each other. So I am actually going to try the new Pepsi again. This is my second time. They are at $8.25. Now keep that in your head, guys. Then you have, say, $4 when you spend $14, and then you save $2 off of 3, and then you have a 3 for $14. They are buy 3 12 packs for $14, or you have 2 for $15. Please don't pick the one that's 2 for $15. Now those are a manufacturer and a Dollar General coupon, which they stack together. Okay. Now if you do $8.25 times 3, it's going to give you $24.75. That's how much all 3 of those will be. But we're going to do 14 because that's how many we're getting. 3. We're going to take that $4 off and 2, leave us at $8 divided by 3. That is $2.66 each, guys. That's an awesome deal. Or buy 1 get 2 free.